Super Easy Drawings. Hello everyone! Welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we're going to draw and color a fairy. Let's start drawing. At first, I'm going to draw two flowers into this corner. A bigger one and a smaller one. Then I'm going to draw a beautiful fairy next to them. I draw her face, her two eyes, her nose, and her smiling mouth. Then I draw her long hair. And I continue with her body. I draw her arms, her leaf skirt, and two legs. She looks beautiful. Now I draw her magic wand in her hand. And finally, I draw her wings. Like this. Great job! Now I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color the stems and leaves of the flowers with this dark green marker. Then I use yellow for their middles. I color the bigger flower red. Then I use orange for the other one. I use this lighter green marker for the grass. Now let's color the fairy. I use cream for her skin. Then I color her mouth light red. I use brown for her hair. I color her long sleeve shirt pink. Then I use purple here, and also for her sandalinas. I color her leaf skirt with this light green marker. Then I use light purple for her stockings. And also for here for the circles on her wings. I color her wings with this light aqua blue marker. Finally, I use mauve for her magic wand. Yippee! If you like this video, don't hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video!